p.m. At 12:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Earlville to near North Utica, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Yorkville, Morris, Peru, La Salle, Mendota, Marseilles, Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Seneca, Somonauk, Earlville, North Utica, Serena, Newark, Leland, Matlade, Millington, Dayton, and Millbrook. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 57 and 77. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 114. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Gedhardwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Illini State Park, Tri-County Fairgrounds, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National